the political fortune of any country.
You're watching the media news now. Breaking news just coming in says the Supreme Court has affirmed Abba Yusuf as the duly elected governor of Kano State. Justice John Okoro, who read the lead judgment, held that the lower court was wrong in its judgment to have deducted 165,616 votes from the votes secured by the governor. The respondents claimed that the 165,616 ballot papers were not from INEC. That allegation was not proven. But by virtue of Section 61, subsection 1 of the Electoral Act, before a ballot paper can be declared invalid, it must be proven that it was not given to the presiding officer. The ballot papers in question were both signed and stamped. The only feature left out was the date. So 165,616 should be added to the votes secured by Abba Yusuf. The Court of Appeal was wrong to find that the governor was a member of the NNPP. The issue of nomination is not a candidate, is pre-election, and no political party can interfere with how another party's nominates its candidate. Once again, it's to let you know that the Supreme Court has affirmed Abba Yusuf as the duly elected governor of Kano State, according to Justice John Okoro. Let's bring in our correspondent, Ibrahim Isa, who spoke with me earlier in Kano. Ibrahim, if you can hear me, we just spoke a few seconds ago as regards what the situation has been in Kano and how the reaction will be. Talk to us about these latest developments, this breaking news just coming in. What more can you tell us?
Hello?
Yeah, Ibrahim, let me quickly confirm if you can hear me.
Yes, I can.
Fantastic. Well, we just brought the news now that the Supreme Court has affirmed Abba Yusuf as a duly elected governor of Kano State. And then we talked about, Kano being a very important state, in the scheme of things, talking about the judgment going on in the Supreme Court. What is it like, receiving the news there?
There are there are celebrations ongoing now, but there are few because probably the people who are not expecting this, so the mobilization was somehow weak. But the few ones we can see close to us, are currently jubilating, and people are moving to the residence of the former governor of Kano State, the presidential candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party, NNPP, Rabiu Bonkoso, who is the leader of the party. And as you can hear from the background, you can hear sounds of people moving on motorbikes and tricycles, chanting solidarity, victory songs. And we are currently on our way to the residence because we learned that those who are celebrating are heading to the residence of the senator. So
right.
That's basically what is currently happening. There is the presence of security everywhere. Since yesterday, the security agents have mobilized and strategized. And at strategic points, there are security agencies, operatives, from different organizations. So this is currently the state of Kano.
All right, Ibrahim Issa, we'll keep close tabs with you as you move to the office of the governor, the incumbent governor who has been affirmed by the Supreme Court to have won the election, to have been duly elected by elected governor of Kano State. Thank you so much, Ibrahim Issa. We'll definitely keep close tabs with you on this in a very short moment to come. But moving on very quickly, a group called the Benue PDP Foundation Group has called on the State Working Committee of the party to suspend its leader, former Governor Samuel Otom, for allegations bordering on anti-party activities. The group, in a message to the State Working Committee in Makadi by its coordinator, Michael Aberagi, blamed the poor outing of the party in the last general election on Mr. Otom, who is the leader of the party in the state. Our correspondent Mayowa Kwato reports.
The former governor of Benue State, Samuel Otom, has said that the G5 governors of the People's Democratic Party